Introducing Generac's new SpeedWash pressure washer. It's built tough to help you tackle almost any cleaning project fast. The SpeedWash pressure washer features best-in-class cleaning power with 3200 psi. Generac's innovative power dial gun lets you switch between cleaning jobs right at your fingertips. Choose between 4 application settings: car, wood, concrete, and soap, to easily select the right pressure setting for your cleaning tasks. The power dial gun's ergonomic design and cushion grip provide a more comfortable grip while using the pressure washer. The unit comes with attachments that make cleaning easy and fast. Ideal for cleaning decks, patios, and driveways, the Power Broom makes cleaning jobs 4 times faster. The Power Broom minimizes overspray, and 4 high-pressure nozzles provide a 12-foot cleaning path for faster, uniform results. The turbo nozzle's rotating pinpoint stream agitates dirt out of porous surfaces, making it the perfect accessory. It cleans surfaces up to 30% faster than other nozzles. The Soap Blaster nozzle applies soap at high pressure, delivering 3 times the force of a standard soap nozzle, and removes tough stains faster. The 3200 SpeedWash features a 30-foot heavy-duty flex hose that won't kink, resists abrasions, and won't mar work surfaces like driveways and decks. And 30 feet of hose means more cleaning radius and less moving the pressure washer around. The SpeedWash pressure washer features a powerful, reliable Generac OHV engine. The high-quality brass head axial cam pump lasts up to 2 times longer than the competitive aluminum head pumps, and the large fuel tank means fewer fill-ups. The SpeedWash features an easy-to-access onboard detergent tank to help you conveniently use cleaning solutions. When you have heavy-duty jobs but not a lot of time, Generac's SpeedWash pressure washer blasts through cleaning projects fast.
Yard Force.
I'm going to the grocery store. I'll be back in a little while.
Okay. Oh, 1 second. How's it going, Gail?
Is Sarah home?
No, she's out running errands, but she'll be back in a little while.
Okay, great. Can you tell her I'll call her tomorrow?
Sure, no problem.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
All right, take care.
Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 3200 psi pressure washer. Great for using around the house, on your patio or deck, or in the garage. You can also clean your recreational equipment, or remove stains from your driveway or sidewalk. This unit is powered by a Champion 224cc engine with a flow capacity of 2.4 gallons per minute, and comes standard with a 25-foot high-pressure hose, comfort grip trigger gun, and 5 interchangeable quick connect nozzles. 0 15, 25, and 40 degrees. This unit also has built-in detergent tanks, as well as a unique low-pressure detergent nozzle and hose specifically for using with different cleaning chemicals and detergents, making this pressure washer as versatile as it is powerful. And the Dolly-Style body and wheel kit make it easy to transport this unit wherever you need it. Make sure to wear the proper safety gear when operating your pressure washer. Read your owner's manual to easily get your pressure washer up and running. Open the box to safely access the pressure washer. Assemble the pressure washer. Add oil to the engine. Move the pressure washer outside. Add gasoline to the engine. Connect the wand to the trigger gun. Attach your desired nozzle. Connect the high pressure hose. Connect the garden hose. Turn on the water source. Pull the trigger to purge the air from the hose. Start the engine, and you're ready to go. Champion's 3200 PSI pressure washer. Versatile, portable, and powerful.
Take on tough cleaning tasks around the home with the SIMPSON MS60763 gas pressure washer. Powered by an easy-to-start Kohler RH265 engine and a maintenance-free OEM Technologies axial cam pump, this machine delivers 3,100 PSI at 2.4 gallons per minute for every kind of residential cleaning project. The 1/4-inch 25-foot Morflex hose is lightweight, durable, and resists kinks and abrasions. Other accessories include an ergonomic spray gun and a 16-inch steel wand with 5 quick connect nozzles that swap easily to match your cleaning application. It's all housed on a powder-coated welded steel frame with 12-inch never flat wheels for easy maneuverability. The SIMPSON MS60763 pressure washer is backed by our premium warranty, and it's available now. SIMPSON, driven by performance.